Hi, my name's Dr. Christina Rahm, and today I want to talk to you about Parkinson's disease. I work as the chairman of the International Science Nutrition Society. We partner with Ron Thomas University, and we've done a variety of case studies, research, and patient registries to really look at traditional and non-traditional treatments. Today, I want to discuss one of the case studies that Dr. Tina Bosnick, Dr. Norbert Keshkesh, Dr. Dori Norbo, and I were able to work on together. Parkinson's disease is a common progressive neurological disorder. I say common, but it didn't used to be. It's something that's affecting us even more and more. Signs of the disease include tremors, stiffness, slowness, trouble sleeping, dizziness, loss of smell, etc. It can cause significant issues in people's lives, and it progresses sometimes very quickly. In this case study, there was a male, 63 years old. He was diagnosed with Parkinson's 3 years ago. His medication was a traditional treatment that was used to really help the progression stop of Parkinson's disease. However, he wanted further assistance. He started on a proprietary blend that had to do with tyrosine, caffeine, L-theanine, velvet bean, and pine bark curcumin vitamin D. He was able to use this one capsule in the morning and one in the afternoon for 10 days. He then increased to 2 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon after the 10 days. He added another proprietary blend that had to do with black cumin seed oil, resveratrol, turmeric, raspberry, apple cider vinegar, aloe vera, and D-ribose. He started taking this particular blend in his diet 1 in the morning. He also started taking 2 to 3 drops of the proprietary blend 1, which had to do with the silica to help detox things out of his body while he was supporting his body and the nervous system. He did this proprietary blend 1 drop every morning for 3 days and then increased to 2 drops in the morning and 2 drops at night. He even went up to 10 drops in the morning and 10 drops at night. So there was a variety of different methods that were used and dosing regimens for this particular patient. After 1 month, the 3 cardinal symptoms of Parkinson's disease, resting tremor, rigidity, and also slowing down of the body, all significantly decreased so that the body was healthier. In addition, his quality of sleep improved very highly in all of the testing. His medication had not been changed, so he was able to use the natural supplements along with his medication to really help the symptoms of Parkinson's disease.